The R sound makes the sound. When we make this sound, we curl our tongue to the back of our throat, towards the back of our throat. Some people leave their tongue flat and it will come out like a W sound, which is W. So people might be pronouncing Robert like Wobbit. Some people also, depending on your first language, can pronounce the R sound like a L, so it could come out a lobbit. So when you are saying words like Robert, make sure you curl your tongue back. Very attractive. For the sound, your teeth must be apart. The back of your tongue must not touch the roof of your mouth. And the tip of your tongue must curl back. To practice this, practice itching the roof of your mouth with your tongue tip. Also, push the back of your tongue up to the soft palate in your mouth and let it go. It's almost like you're swallowing. Another good exercise is to press your whole entire tongue against the roof of your mouth, then release it. So it'll make a sound like this. But the best one is to itch the roof of your mouth with your tongue tip and count your teeth with your tongue tip. And itch the roof of your mouth. Another way to practice this sound is starting with il, sh, il, sh, il, sh, il, t, sh, 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 t, sh, 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 t, sh, 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 t, sh, 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 t, sh, 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 t, and then sh, oo, sh, or, sh, ah, sh, a, sh, e. Words to practice: red, roll, roll, round, river, runs, really, very, brown. So exaggerate the sound when you're practicing. So exaggerate the roll it, in other words. Bring 3 lorries round to the front. The long red river runs round the bend. Rachel brings red balloons. Leave the room.